Now we move on to higher piloting and will launch our banana in Adobe Photoshop. To start using our banana, you need to go through a few steps. Again, take out your credit card and watch the video till the end, and also hit like, otherwise it may not work. So let's start with the plugin. You can find it on the site astria.ai. The link will be under the video. The plugin is compatible with Mac OS and Windows. On the same page you can find the installation instructions for the plugin. Next we need the replicate service. This is an aggregator of models that are located there and distributed via the API protocol. Here we need to generate an API token. I enter the token name and click Create Token. You also need to top up your account. I go to Billing, click Add Credit and add the minimum amount of $10. One generation in Photoshop with Nano Banana costs about 4 cents. This is very cheap. Well, the preliminary setup is done. Now it's time to move on to Photoshop. I use Creative Cloud Pro. This gives me 20 plus apps, including Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere Pro and others. The instruction how to install this plugin in Photoshop I will give in the description. We downloaded the plugin and go to the folder with scripts. Presets, scripts, insert the downloaded file nano banana flux context v.1.jsx, restart Photoshop. After installation, the script can be found in File, Scripts, Nano Banana Flux Context. When you do this the first time, you will need to activate it with the token we generated to replicate site. Select Settings and paste the token. Restart Photoshop. Good. At the beginning you need to select the area where you want to make changes. Go again to File, Scripts, Nano Banana Flux Context. In the drop-down list opposite model, select Nano Banana. You can also add a reference image. When I bought my plugin, this function did not work on Windows. The author promised to fix this soon. So I think when you watch this video, you can already add a reference image. I choose my image on the road, enter the prompt. Separate all of the clothing that the man is wearing and place it on a white background. Press generate and we have the finished result. Now the clothes that were on me are located in a separate file, and each item is a separate piece of clothing. Just fantastic, we can now sell this clothing on eBay. So, working in Photoshop, you can add a mask, select the area you want to change. And now incredible possibilities are available to us. And finally, one more prompt. To create a popular and viral figurine of myself. I type the prompt. Create a 1/7 scale commercialized figurine of the character in the picture in a realistic style in a real environment. We open our eyes and can take them off the screen. That's the new king. We now have the pleasure to work with.
I am the king of all images. Bow before me, and let your pixels serve my glory forever.
So friends, Nano Banana is not just a funny name. It seems to be in the new standard in the world of AI image generation and editing, from retouching old photos to creating entire comics. This tool really changes the rules of the game. Have you already tried Nano Banana? Write in the comments what you think. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new reviews.